Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today we're going to show you an exciting new product for the 68 to 72 Ford trucks. Are you tired of worrying about scratches on your project's hood caused by emblem installation? Do you want to keep water and debris from getting behind your emblems? Introducing our new custom hood side emblem mounting pad for the 68 to 72 Ford trucks. These pads fit the F100 through F350 models. These pads feature a raised beaded edge that protects your paint from being scratched during installation. The raised edge also seals out water from behind the emblem, ensuring that your paint remains pristine and undamaged. Installation is easy, and these pads give your emblem a clean and finished look that adds a touch of sophistication to your vehicle. These are sold as a pair to do the left and right sides. Upgrade your ride with a hood side emblem beaded mounting pad today and give your truck a clean and custom look. You can find this and many other quality restoration parts for your Ford at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on our latest releases. You can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.